What is AI? That's a really good question. Explaining AI can be a bit tricky, but let me try to break it down using something we're all familiar with, a skilled chef in a kitchen. This might help us understand not just what AI is, but also how it works, even without an internet connection. Imagine you're watching your favorite cooking show. The star chef steps into the kitchen and, without missing a beat, starts whipping up an amazing dish. No cookbook in sight, no Google searches, just pure culinary magic. That chef? That's our AI. Now you might be wondering, how does the chef know what to do? Well, it all starts with training. Just like a chef spends years in culinary school and working in kitchens, AI goes through a rigorous training phase. It's like the AI is learning recipes, understanding flavor combinations, and mastering cooking techniques. But instead of food, it's processing vast amounts of data, learning patterns, and developing its own intuition for solving problems. So, what happens when the cameras start rolling and the chef needs to perform? They tap into all that knowledge they've accumulated. They can recall recipes from memory, combine ingredients based on their understanding of flavors, and even create new dishes on the fly. That's exactly what a well-trained AI does. Once it's trained, it has its own mental cookbook, a complex set of patterns and rules it can apply to new situations. But here's where it gets really interesting. Let's say we drop our chef onto a remote island with no phone, no internet, not even a cookbook. Sounds like a recipe for disaster, right? But a skilled chef can still work wonders. They can cook excellent meals using whatever ingredients are available, adapt recipes based on what's on hand, and solve culinary problems using their experience and creativity. That's the beauty of AI. Once it's trained, it doesn't need to be constantly connected to the internet to function. It's like it carries its own vast library of knowledge wherever it goes. It can generate responses, adapt its knowledge to new situations, and solve problems all based on what it learned during training. So, there you have it. AI is like a well-trained chef, carrying around a vast mental cookbook of knowledge and the ability to creatively apply that knowledge to new situations. And just like a skilled chef can cook up a storm without constantly referring to recipes or the internet, a well-designed AI can operate effectively even when offline, relying on its extensive training to generate responses and solve problems.